Guys, if I just gonna tell you that within a single day you are getting paid $132, $35, $9 every single day, which people are actually earning worldwide, what could you say? And I'll show you with proof, guys. You can earn more than that by giving the results to intended recipient. How they are earning, how people are actually earning free of cost. And I'll show you guys, people are actually make six figures, more than six figures from this website. Okay guys, just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how people all over the world are earning a good amount of money. You can see guys, and there are lots and lots of payment methods that you can receive through this website. Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you can do it yourself. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just following some simple tips and tricks, and you are getting paid a good amount of money. Okay guys, so what is this website? So guys, lots of my subscribers are asking me a question that, sir, please tell us about affiliate marketing and how can we start it from scratch. Not even a single penny from our pocket is going to spend, guys, and I'll show you step by step how you can do it by just, and even guys, you are having a product, okay, free product, no skill is required, nothing, you just have a free product, and how you can resell your products, I'll show you step by step. Okay guys, so let me just give some payment proofs, guys, so that you can actually see at this website the people worldwide are earning a good amount of money. You can just click on this payment proof of payments, just click on this thing, and I'm going to show you. You can see guys, people are actually earning $132, $35, $9, $18, $25. How they are earning? Okay guys, actually it is minimum guys, but I'll show you a trick that you can earn as much as $500 to $600 per day as well. Okay, per month it is eventually, but per day as well. Okay, it's a daily payment guys. You can see it's a daily payment. Okay, it's a daily payment. Day wise people are earning this amount of money. So I'll show you some tricks, $500 per day, how you can do it. Okay, just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you can do it. So guys, I just click on this file upload method. Okay, fileupload.com it is, and the website link is in my description box, so you can check out. And let me just give you some more insights about this website, guys, that how can we earn it. Okay, so guys, you just click on this start uploading your files now. Just click on this thing and you can see guys, you just need to upload your file and just start it out. Okay, I just first sign up in order to upload it. So this is a sign up button, sign up link, okay, which it opens, and I just need to enter my username, mail ID, password, payment info is optional, and how we can do it, let's see. Okay, I just type in my username, okay, and my mail ID, okay, and my password. Okay, and the I should prefer to choose PayPal method, guys. Okay, and I just need to enter my PayPal mail ID. Okay, same mail ID is my PayPal mail ID. So I just choose it and just click on this submit button and you are good to go. Okay, my password. Okay guys, password problem. Okay, so this is my dashboard, guys. You can see this is my dashboard. So what you need to do right now, guys, I just need to upload some files. So this website is provided me a good link. Okay, it will provide me a link and it will provide me a storage of worth up to 117 GB, guys. Okay, And guys, one more thing that you can do, you can create multiple accounts and just host your website. Okay, and you know there is no limit to create your account and you can upload a particular courses. I should show you some ebooks, guys, that you can upload and sell it to the intended audience. So step by step I'll show you. So this is a free plrdownload.com. This is a website where you can earn money, guys. So as per a particular niche, guys, you can see as per particular niche, you can see on the left side, you can see there are lots and lots of books freely available. Okay, I just click on this affiliate marketing. Okay, and you can see, guys, there are lots of books. You can see page 1, page 2, you can see. Okay, let us suppose, guys, I just wanna sell one of these books. Okay, just I click on this thing. Okay, just click on this book and just I need to click on this download button. Okay, just click on this download button and you can see, guys, in the you can see my download is already doing. Okay, so what I need to do right now, I just click on this upload files. You can see, guys, upload files. Okay, just I click on this upload files. Okay, and just click on this upload file and just click on this folder. Okay, so in the download, what is the file name? The affiliate marketing handbook. Okay, just I click on this thing and you can see, guys, I just upload this. It as simple. You can see, guys, my file is getting uploaded. Okay, this is my file that is already been uploaded. You can see live, step by step, not skipping this video, showing you step by step how you can yourself earn money, not even by selling books, guys. I'll just show you how you can sell your video lectures, free video lectures as well. Okay, you can see, guys, I have successfully do it. Okay, and this is my link, guys, this is my link. Okay, I can use this link to sell my ebook, okay, to intended audience. Okay, just I click on this FB account. I just come up in my FB account, Facebook account, and just wait for a second. And so, guys, in the Facebook, you can see in the top left corner, you just need to search affiliate marketing. Okay, just click on this affiliate marketing and you can see, guys, there are lots and lots of people who are good affiliate. I just need to search groups. Okay, you can see, guys, groups. Okay, just click on this groups and I just wanna prefer to have public groups. Okay, public groups. You can see, guys, there are 2,15,000 members in this group. 2,15,000. Okay, guys, just click on this thing. Okay, just click on this link and you just need to join this group, guys. Okay, just click on this join this link and I just want to be a member of this group and just post it. Whenever you have became a member, okay, just wait for the time you became member and you need to post here. Okay, you just need to post here your link. Okay, so I just show you how you can do it. So after joining this group, you just need to click, just copy paste your link. Okay, guys, so whomever who are interested in this in your affiliate marketing, they just come up in your link and just try to be. If they want to become an affiliate marketing, they can see your book, read your book, and you are getting paid for that. So guys, what you need to type: interested affiliate marketers. Okay, affiliate marketers. Okay, guys, interested affiliate marketers, just click on this link and download the ebook to become professional. Okay, guys, that's it, and just you need to post it. Okay, guys, so what it does, guys, you can see, guys, whomever watch this link, they just wanna try to message you, they just wanna try to message you that I just wanna, or they just click on this link and they come up in this website. Okay, so I just show you. There are lots and lots of ways, guys, you can earn. You just click on this my files. Okay, just click on this my files and you can see your this is 1.8 MB. Okay guys, just click on this thing. You can see, guys, this is your so an ad is coming up, guys. I just need to skip it. Okay, just skip this ad. Okay, so you can see, guys, whenever they are coming in this this is your URL, guys. Okay, you can just have a look on this thing, and whenever they are coming up in this website, guys, they just try to do some premium downloads or free download. Okay, so based upon that thing you are getting paid. Okay guys, so I'll just show you how you are getting paid. Okay, so I just click on this my account. So this is my account, and you just need to click on this make money. Just click on this make money. Okay, and just come up down here. So guys, people from US, Canada, Australia, United Kingdoms, if they want to download your ebook, you are getting paid $6. Okay, people from UAE and Saudi Arabia, you are getting $2, and other countries $2. And you can see, guys, even if you can see the members in the group. Okay guys, you have seen the members in this group. If I just click on this, you have seen that how much members are there in this group. I just show you again. Okay, you just see how much members, 2,15,000, guys. Even, guys, if I can calculate from 2,15,000 people, let us suppose only 1,000 people have click on your link. If they are interested, you are getting paid. So let us suppose, guys, minimum payout is $2, so you are getting, guys, $2,000. Absolutely just passive income, guys. You just wanna upload it, and you know, you do not have to pay a subscription fees. You do not have to host for this. They are just going to download it, and you can see, guys, people are actually doing a good, utilize this website for their free hosting. Okay, lots of affiliate marketers are using this for launching their own products. You can do it on your own self. So one more tip I just want to give you, guys, that another website I just show you that will give you more than just videos and articles and templates, audios and graphics that you can sell online. Okay, I just click on this. You can see that idplr.com. You just come up in this website, and you just wanna just click on this free videos. Okay, just click on this free videos, and you can see, guys, there are lots and lots of videos. Just click on this. Okay, and just click on the download. Okay, just we did in this PLR downloads, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Okay, they are actually for resale, guys. Okay, so no copyright issues for you on by just clicking on this. So people, I just show you people from this. You can see that potential, guys. This is just one group, guys. Okay, this is just one group. There are hundreds and hundreds of groups. There are lots of groups. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of groups. So you just need to just join those groups. You just click on this and join these groups, and you just click on this answer, guys, if you want to give. I just want to tell you that, guys, if they are asking you to join this group, just type I am a student. Okay, guys, so what it does that, guys, you just want to tell you that I am interested in know the multi-level marketing or digital marketing or affiliate marketing. Okay, so they are just approve you for your group. So this is another tip and trick that you can apply. So it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. And you can see, guys, you can do it as per your own niche. Okay, I've shown you the payment proof as well. Okay, people are actually earning this much amount, guys. You can see, guys. So why can't you earn? Okay, they have earned 6 figures till now. And you can see, guys, as compared to the worldwide people, the traffic is eventually less in there. Okay, so free hosting you are getting, and you just need to post it, upload it, that's it, simple. So if you like this video guys, just click on this subscribe button and like my video so that I can give you best content, how to make money online, what are the best tips that you can do investment in various kind of perspective, how you can earn passive income, and lots of more. See you in the next video guys.